How to hide your friends list on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your Facebook friend list. So first of all, open your Facebook app. Now once you've opened your Facebook app, simply tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. After that, scroll all the way down and then tap on settings and privacy. Now again tap on settings and then it will take you to this page. Now once you're on this page, all you have to do is scroll down and under audience and visibility, tap the second option, which is how people find and contact you. Now it will take you to this page where you'll see the option who can see your friend list. So simply tap on it and now it will provide you with three options, namely public, friends and friends except. But if you want to hide it from everybody, tap on the option see more and now two more options will appear. So you'll have to tap on the option only me and now your Facebook friend list will be hidden from everybody except you. So that is basically how you hide your friends list on Facebook. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.